Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. First up this evening, the water shortage crisis in sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as parts of St. Catherine, is worsening. There's now a worry among residents that water restrictions will get even tighter in the coming days. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Despite water restrictions intended to conserve dwindling supplies, levels at the two main storage facilities in the corporate area continue to fall. The National Water Commission (NWC) in its latest update on August 7 said Mona Reservoir was at 55.8% capacity. That is 451.4 million gallons of water. This was a further decline from the reported 58.1% reported on August 3, 4 days ago. This means water levels fell by 5.7 million gallons over those 4 days. The Water Commission says a decline was also registered at Hermitage Dam, which is now at 42.8% of its holding capacity, or 168.4 million gallons of water. This means water levels at the dam went down by a further 2.8 million gallons. Active restrictions took effect on August 3 for sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, including Ligony, Mountain View, New Kingston, Crossroads and Vineyard Town, to slow the declining levels. Sections of Kingston and St. Andrew as well as St. Catherine experienced heavy rainfall on Saturday, but not sufficient to begin refilling any of the major catchment or storage facilities. But even more rain right now would mean a short-term fix. As it relates to the long-term fixes, Water Minister Matthew Sumuda says the $92 million Rio Cobre water treatment project should be ready by the middle of next year. This would supply 15 million gallons of water daily to sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as parts of Portmore and Spanish Town. That's 3 million gallons of water more than what communities in those parts were short in the country's worst ever dry spell nearly 4 years ago. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.